Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, which is appeal. It's a B2 level verb that means to request or attract interest. Whether you're asking for something or trying to capture someone's attention, appeal is a versatile word that you'll find very useful. When we use appeal to mean requesting, we're often talking about formally asking for help, support, or a decision. For example, the charity will appeal to the public for donations. In this case, the organization is making a request for assistance. On the other hand, when appeal is used to mean attracting interest, it describes something that is engaging or attractive. For instance, this new book really appeals to young readers. Here, the book captures their attention. Let's talk about some synonyms for appeal. For requesting, you might use plead or petition. For example, she decided to plead for more time to complete the project. For attracting interest, synonyms like charm or attract work well. For example, the design of the house really charms visitors. These words have similar meanings and can help you add variety to your language. Now for some antonyms. When appeal means requesting, an antonym could be refuse, as in he decided to refuse the offer without hesitation. For attracting interest, an antonym might be repel, like in the unpleasant smell of the dish might repel customers. These contrasting words show the wide range of situations where you can use appeal effectively. In everyday life, you might hear appeal in many contexts. For example, in a workplace setting, you might say, "I'll appeal to my manager for a day off." If you're talking about preferences, you might say, "That song doesn't really appeal to me, but I can see why others like it." These examples show how appeal fits naturally into daily conversations. Here are a couple more sentences to help you understand appeal in action. The new campaign was designed to appeal to young voters. The lawyer decided to appeal the court's decision. Notice how in one case we're talking about attraction, while in the other it's about making a formal request. That wraps up our episode on appeal. We've explored its meaning, its synonyms like plead and charm, and antonyms like refuse and repel. We've also looked at how you can use it in everyday situations and sentences. I hope you've found this helpful and are feeling confident about adding appeal to your vocabulary. Before we go, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Why not create your own sentence using appeal and share it as a comment? I can't wait to see how you use today's word. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.